Sanbonani, MK, Sanbonani, word to the word. It's Monday, guys. Gwaza mkhonto gwaza, jikijela mkhonto jikijela, phatha ncamalala phatha, phakama mkhonto wesizwe phakama, alibuye izwe lethu malibuye, niyaphila. Nkosi yami kumsombuluko. It's a beautiful Monday. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu. It is Monday the 18th of November. Sesisithi isikhathi uyabona nje ngagcina ngisenempandla ngigundile uyabona nje sengize ngibuya sengimhlophe senginehwana ukuthi kade khona ngangigcina niyaphila kodwa abahlobo bami niyaphila kakhulu enkundleni yenu ukuxhumana. Ake ngiphinde ngibonge kakhulu kulabo abangilandelayo ku TikTok. It keeps on growing every day. Engagement kuhle kakhulu na ku Facebook na ku YouTube and so forth, nakuzinye zonke inkundla zokuxhumana, nako WhatsApp, nako X, which is Twitter. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu, and people they want to know ukuthi ngikephi ngenzani nini ngasikhathi sini. Unfortunately I can't do everything yet. I'm a jack of all trades. I'm all over the place. I just want to give a quick review and update around yonke into eyenzakala kulesi sikhathi samanje. Mhlambe into yokuqala ebalulekile engifisa ukuthi ngidlule kuyona, obviously sebentshontshile ipage lami la kwa TikTok, selaphenduka umkhonto wesizwe, selaba uMK. Kanti kunezinye izinto ezikhona nabantu abafuna ukwazi ezinye izinto esibiza ngama sweeteners which are outside the politics, because I'm not a politician but I'm part of the politics because ngisemhlabeni wayipolitics. Okokuqala sibonge kakhulu ukubona uMK wenza a progressive move in terms of growing, in terms of lungisa izinto eziphathelene nama ground forces, beefing up ama structures and so forth. Namje namhlanje Tambama here in my main office, which is in the CBD of Durban. Sibakubanja ma meeting. Some of them I'm not even part of them, but ayenzeka lana wama region ahlukene njalo njalo ngokwegaba ezahlukene ngokwama ward ahlukene. Sithi sazi ukuthi the main office ezansi la kade banja khona ama meeting kusamiwe ngenxa ukuthi kuyalungiswa izinto ezithile, so ke sekumuvelwe la ekhaya ke kwaNgubo. So ke namhlanje Ntambama region ikhona ka national ikhona, kube province izoba khona futhi namhlanje Ntambama kuzo deliberate abantu bakuthi uyithatha apho eNgubo indaba engaka. Ngathi mengintshela ngathini mina nathini nina kunjani mangabe kunje, ngathi mengintshela ngoWillis Mchunu ena 3 hours esulile sesazi ngathi uzongena ekuzophatheni region yeTheku, abantu bangakholwa kwenzakalani. Ngathi mengintshela ngamabho, ngathi mengintshela ngama do or die ukuthi kuzodilwa nawo unqamalala kwenzakalani mangabe unqamalala ehle suke ezantsi. And I keep on updating you indaba ezisematheni engaconsi phansi. Mhlambe kokuqala okuthinta lokho, guys, number 1, the reason why you don't see me much on the TikTok, I am a very busy man. I'm a businessman on his own. Sikhumbula ukuthi la kumkhonto wesizwe kuthiwa ubizwa kuthiwa sibizwanga siyizele, so siyakudinga ke nokuphila. So I am a businessman. So during this time of the year I got caught up with business, and kakhulu nomsebenzi wawo MK ungasalele emuva. Kade nje indaba ezitha bayethe wena wendlovu, Nkosi yami kade ngithola amazwi athi uqina kuthiwa weNgubo manje njengo la emakhosini kwenzakalani, osuthula kangaka usunyamalala ushonephi. Cha ngekhona bafowethu. One, endabeni zamakhosi siyahlela. Njengamanje ngeke ngakhuluma nama region ahlukene, sidinga ukuxhumana nezinduna ukuze zizoba iphathi yomsebenzi esiwenzayo. We want to integrate induna namakhosi ngaphansi komsebenzi owodwa othinta abelaphi bendabuko kanjalo nabezenkolo, because amakhosi wona aphethe ihlalo kodwa abantu abasebenza kuma ground forces induna abakhona emphakathini abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ke there's a need for that. So ke we need induna urgently. Number 2, indaba yecala bafowethu cishe sekukhulunywe kakhulu ukuthi njoba ngangishilo kwasekuqaleni kusenjalo namanje kuyoba njalo naphakade ukuthi asizukuliyeka icala lokurojwa kwamavote and lokhu lihambe livela. Although ke iwindi besinimiselwe liphelile, kodwa ukulwa sikuyekile futhi at the same time singakuyekile njengo MK ukuziphoza strategically ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi u2026 no2029 ubuyele kuthina. And siyayibona ifilimu nemovie edlalwa iKZN, hey madoda iGNU gijima nangusathane konakele kumapekotwane kubhekwe phezulu. And I'm feeling sorry for another political party bakithi EFF, and it's bleeding. Noma umuntu angathini is bleeding. Esiqeda kwamukela uDarren, one of the very active socialist, one of the very active when it comes to social media, one of the very active young leader. Okhombisa ukuthi uMK is balancing not only just abantu mekuthiwa uMK wamaZulu wakwaZulu, but sithola abantu from different provinces. Ukubona kubekwa kukaShivambu as uSG wenhlangano ebezodila futhi nama branches ekwakheni. Now sesikhona uDarren, so it's not only we are going out mhlambe ukuthola abantu bohlonze kwamanye ama province, but we are getting even different races. As one of my best friend Vivi obonakala very active bakithi, siyabonga kakhulu. And nokunye ke okwenzakalayo within the political party, but angifuni ukudla isikhathi kulokho. Kodwa ke ngithi nje ngikusho lokhu ukuthi 2026 we are coming 2029, abantu bayabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngubo wasithinta wasihlokoza wasishiya phakathi. Ithini indaba yama volunteer MK, which is the MK government, abanye babekade bewuphika sithe kunemali ezoholwa. It still stands. Silinda uSG ukuthi kube khona i-agreement asayinela yona, because I'm part of that executive as well. Nje umusa nje yabona nje ngiyaleka. So ke silinda uSG uMenzi Magubane ukuba kwenze sike saba ne-meeting naye about 2 weeks ago, njoba kade bekhona bela KZN kuzomenyezelwa indaba kababa uComrade Willis Mchunu kanye nabanye, and national yasihlala la sasesiba khona ukudlana nendlebe laphayana. And so ke siyabona ukuthi kuyaqhubeka, sakubona ukumiswa kwama structures nokuthi kuzosetshenzwa kanjani. So ke we are building MK from the grounds. So sikhululeke ke ngalokho bafowethu. Then another very important segment engifuna ukuyi-add lana, and I've been called by one of the most active group, a civic group ekhona la South Africa, which is called BOTS, BOTS, Bavukile Omastende Tuck Shop. And I'm so excited to be part of the project. Esisebenza neVuma FM, esisebenza neZulu Mzansi, esisebenza nemsakaze local including 405 which is News Africa, to promote and safeguard indaba zama tuck shop. Sengike ngathola ama call ukuthi ke ngenxa yebhizi ngithumela amanye ama leaders esinawo lonto ukuvuka kobavukile uMastende Tuck Shop, which is the organization edila nokulungiswa kwezinto zabantu laba betolo zokufika ukuhlala phansi ukubheka ukuthi ukudla ku right. Sasibonile izinto eningi okholela ukuthi uhulumeni asukume azathatha inyathelo zokuba kube khona imithetho eshawayo. So kungenxa yabavukile uMastende runway organization runway with one of my close associates with his team uNgobese madoda. So ke siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi, and that has played positively. So uma kuneyinkinga nendawo nezitolo nabanikazi nabaqashisile nalaqashe khona abantu bokufika bavukile uMastende tuck shops, it is a new organization ekhona ukudila specifically nalokho ngokubambisana namanye ama-stakeholders. So ngikubeka ukwazi lokho, and nami ke I'm busy on my business side. There is a new exciting ekhona. I'm working with one of the biggest projects here corner in the world right now. I am part of the team. We've developed the app ikhona kwa Google Store. We're busy on the marketing. Omunye umsebenzi ethi bikwi1KZN izolo, siyabuyela ku1KZN sizobe sokhozini kuleli sonto. I-app okwazi ukuthi mawe professional uhlele ekhaya noma ngabe uneskill esithile noma unebusiness, you can be able to request, noma ngithi uma ubona Bolt ubona Uber sisebenza ngayo yonke into. It is our own app which I'm part of, and the first one is United Kingdom, the second one Itina, which is called Peace Job, and sizobe sinayo senginikeza imbuzi. Mawunomsebenzi ufuna umsebenzi, abantu abangasebenza abafuna ukuqashwa, ama service providers abekhona zizobe ikhala. Kwaza mkhona.